Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about problem scenario topic 5 and 6. My name is Nur Farfana. There is my teammate Nur Iman Shira, Nur Sakina, and Nur Alia Shazrin.
Is fiscal policy. Fiscal policy involves the change of tax rate or government expenditure or but in order to achieve government's economic and social objective. Fiscal policy also carried out by the legislative and or the executive branch of the government. Number 1, the temporary subsidy on utilities to reduce domestic and commercial electricity bills. And number 2, this subsidy was very effective during 2021 and reduced the housing cost components of the CPI by 2.5% months on month in July last year, contributing a 0.6% monthly reduction in the overall index in the same month, helped to eradicate inflation's expectations and ward off dangerous calls for increases in interest rates or cuts in government spending.
Annual headline inflation figure for January would drop to between 1.6% to 1.7% and remain below 1.5% each month during June. Tapering up the subsidy in two steps during October and November would see headline inflation rise again, stabilizing around the 2.0% at the end of the year. This initiative should encourage price stability with the three measures of headline inflation, core inflation and inflation excluding fuel, converging to the long-term trend around 1.9% toward the end. To handle the issue of inflation by reducing government expenditure, one approach is to cut down on non-essential spending and focus on projects that benefit the people. The government should cut down the government expenditure for government events. A decrease in government spending and an increase in the government total tax revenue will produce a surplus budget. The effect of the removal of utility subsidies to reduce electricity bills introduced during 2021 to cushion the effect of the lockdown.
Inflation is a rise in the general level of prices in an economy. When there is inflation, each dollar of income buys fewer goods and services. The purchasing power of money declines. Full inflation refers when there is full employment of resources and aggregate demand is increasing at a time when short-run aggregate supply is inelastic. Demand full inflation is the result of the level of aggregate demand being allowed to grow too fast compared to what the supply side capacity can meet. It is associated with booming economy or an economy which is near the peak of its cycle. To an increase in the cost of production. It is the result of the scenario. For example, if there is an increase in the prices of raw material and other components used in the production processes of the different industries.
The government practiced the contractionary fiscal policy during the inflation to control the excessive demand that causes the general price level to increase. The government increasing taxes or reducing government expenditure are brought to achieving price stability.